Hi there. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. These are all word types. Which word type would you think is the most popular, the most commonly used in the English language? Well, the title of this video is your biggest clue. Nouns. Nouns are the most popularly used type of word in the English language. Apparently there's over 60,000 nouns in the English language. Interestingly, according to a study by Oxford English, 25% of the nouns most commonly used are just 100 nouns. So the top 100 nouns are the most commonly used in the English language. So I'm going to make another video which is going to be the top 100 nouns, which will be a nice, easy, quick way for people to learn the language. But anyway, for today, we're looking at what is a noun and how do we use them. So let's get on with this. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names something. A noun can be a person, for example, John, Mary, teacher, student. It can be a place, house, school, park, or city. It can be a thing, book, pen, chair, table, or it can be an idea, love, peace, happiness, sadness. These are all nouns. What are the different types of noun? Well, there's lots of different types of nouns, but for the sake of this video, I've just narrowed it down into two particular categories. Proper nouns. These are the nouns that we use for specific people, places, or things. It's the actual name of something, the proper noun. For example, Mary, London, the United Kingdom, or the BBC. These are all the names. These are proper nouns. And notice when we use a proper noun, we give it a capital letter at the start, an uppercase letter. We always use that for a proper noun. Any nouns that are not proper nouns will be common nouns. These nouns are used for non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. So for example, boy, village, book, or surprise. These are all common nouns. How do we use nouns in sentences? Nouns can be the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. It usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. For example, with the sentence, John is a student, John is the subject, it's also the noun. Noun can also be the object of a sentence. The object being the person, place, thing, or idea that the verb is acting on. So for example, Mary loves John. John is the object of this sentence. You'll notice that Mary is the subject of the sentence. Mary is also a noun. So, what have we learnt? We've learnt that nouns are an important part of the English language. They're actually the most popular word type, so they're pretty essential. They're used to name people, places, things, and ideas. And that there are different types of nouns, including proper nouns and common nouns. This is just a general introduction to nouns. Over to you. I'd like you to see the description in this video for the follow-on worksheets and activities about nouns. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel because I'm going to be putting lots of videos up about different word types and all other questions to do with the English language. So please feel free to go onto my website, which is adamsfreeenglish.com, and the YouTube channel or my Facebook page, and leave me comments, questions about the kinds of videos you would like me to make, what kind of questions in English language you would like me to answer. And finally, as I mentioned earlier, a future video that I'll make is going to be the top 100 most common nouns. Okay, hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.